All right, so look at this. We are changing our liters. The ammonia content over here is so high, so we just need to change our liters. This is my wonderful man here, Mr. Kenneth. So we get to work together. So we're trying to change the liters right now. We've been able to uh, pack our beds over here for us to be able to do this particular activity. All right. Welcome once again. It's nice having you guys back. As you can see, we are trying to expand the chicken here. So everything happens to be on both sides, but I need to just move all of them to this part of the pen so that we'll be able to take care of this place. So as you can see, as you can see now, we've been able to divide them into two. Like every one of them is now over here. So we are done with the setup of this particular place. All we just need to do now is just to take half of them from here and cross them down to this particular place. So it has been a very hectic work over here. As you can see, we have been able to hang our feeders now. As you can see that we've been able to hang it. So also our drinkers, they are all ready with their drugs inside. So this is just me showing you the setup. So the chicken already, they are, by tomorrow they will be 1 month by tomorrow. So we are just trying to do the last work, let's say the expansion and the likes. So this is how the work has been so far. Trusting on God, we should be going to the market anytime soon. Like anytime soon. You can see their weight. The last time I checked their weight, around 17 days, because there will be 27 days tomorrow. So the last time I checked their weight, 17 days, the average weight was actually 0.99 gram. 0.99 gram as at, let's say, 3 days ago. So I just get to have a particular check of a random check today. I get to see around 1.70, yes, 1.70 kg. 1.70 kg. He said their growth has been so speedy, sincerely, and of course they consume a lot. A lot has gone into this project already. So this is just the progress so far. So this is the setup. And for other videos, kindly subscribe and check. You are going to see a lot of video concerning brooding from beginning. I've been able to do a lot of videos from the beginning, talking about brooding, talking about vaccination, a lot of videos. So just check them out and get to learn one or two things. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, share, and drop your comment. So now they are back inside. I've been able to divide them back to their normal position. So the rest are still there. So all I will need to do is to take care and change this litter tomorrow too, so that this place can also look good, just the way this place is.